Tutorial: Managing Brightness and Energy Efficiency in Windows 11. Explanation: Properly managing the brightness and energy settings on Windows 11 versions 24H2 and 23H2 helps extend battery life and improve energy efficiency. This guide shows you how to reduce brightness settings and apply energy-saving recommendations to maximize comfort, productivity, and device longevity. Section 1: Adjusting brightness settings to save battery life. 1. Open Settings. Click on the Start button and select Settings. 2. Navigate to System Settings. Click on System. 3. Access Display Settings. Click on Display. 4. Adjust Brightness. Under the Brightness and Color section, locate the Brightness slider. Drag the slider to adjust the brightness level as needed. 5. Optimize battery with adaptive brightness. Check the box labeled Help Improve Battery by optimizing the content shown and brightness to allow the system to adjust visual quality for better battery life. Note: once these settings are adjusted, the display brightness will be reduced, helping conserve battery life and save energy. Section 2: Applying Energy Recommendations in Windows 11. 1. Open Settings. Click on the Start button and select Settings. 2. Navigate to System Settings. Click on System. 3. Access Power and Battery Settings. On the right side, click on Power and Battery. 4. View Energy Recommendations. Click on Energy Recommendations. 5. Apply Recommendations. Click Apply next to each suggestion to apply them individually. Alternatively, click Implement All to apply all available recommendations at once. Note: the settings will update to reduce energy consumption, thereby improving battery life and lowering your carbon footprint. Typical recommendations include enabling dark mode, lowering brightness, adjusting sleep timers, disabling screensavers, turning off USB devices when the screen is off. By following these steps, you can enhance the power efficiency of your Windows 11 device, ensuring it runs longer on a single charge and uses energy more efficiently.